How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix the Astro A50 not connecting onto your Bluetooth or onto your Xbox or something similar. So the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that your headset right here is turned on. Navigate through the side buttons. And then after turning it on, you will be able to see a LED light indicating that your headset is working properly. From there, you want to head over to the charging dock of your headset, which will look something like this. Basically, we have two modes. In some other cases, it's going to be something like PC or Xbox. So you could try switching this onto PC or PS4 or your console, depending on the device that you are using. Now, the most important thing that you can do right here is to simply plug the micro USB port onto the charging dock, which will simply look something like this. And then on the other end of the USB port, you simply want to plug this onto something like your console or onto your computer. Now from there, you will be able to confirm that it's working or connected properly by the front of the charging dock, which will indicate something like PC or Xbox or something like PS4. So the only thing left to do now is to simply charge or place your headset back onto the charging dock like this one, and then the connection will then sync from your headset to your device. So if you're using something like a computer or your console, you just want to do something similar where you head over to the sound settings of your device, and from here on the output device, make sure that the Astro A50 is selected. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.